everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and in today's video I am unboxing my monthly Create and Expire card kit. So I got July's, which was totally awesome, and then now this is August. So you can see it's still taped, haven't opened it, nothing yet. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this bad boy open and we're going to see what's inside the box. So if you haven't heard of Create and Expire, it is by Courtney Krieber, and she has created an online publication for card makers or crafters to showcase their work. And it can be anybody. Like, you don't have to have 1 million followers to be a part of Create and Expire. So it's an online publication and it's new every month. And it's such a small fee. I mean, I think it's like $3.99 if I'm not mistaken. I will double check and put everything in a description box below. But if you are a member of the kit or a member of the publication, then you get 10% off your order. So for this month, they actually had 2 add-ons, which I completely forgot to add to my basket. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's see if I untaped everything. Nope. Oh geez, okay, now let's see if it'll come open. Sorry for the shaking, guys. I am in a new crafty space until my other one is done. So in the card kit, you get your card with everything on it, what you get in the, in the kit. And this one looks super fun. I am all about lots of colors. So you get 2 pieces of Nina Solar White Classic Crest cardstock, which is 80 pound. 1 piece of Color Book Tuxedo cardstock. We'll go through this as we go along. So it's always packaged really nicely. So the first 2 things I see is this holographic embossing powder by Ranger. And I cannot wait to use these. I'm sorry guys if you hear background noise. Like I said, I'm in a new crafty space. So yeah, I'm super excited to give this a try. I love holographic embossing powders. We also got transparent gloss texture base, which I have not used this yet. Excuse me, but I'm super excited to give it a try. I like using all different kinds of mediums. So let's go ahead and open our box. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this all out so that way the box is out of the way. So it's all packaged super nicely. And I just got this in the mail today. Literally like 5 minutes ago. So you always get a sweet treat. And it always comes with a little fun fact. So this month is Smarties. Last month, I believe, was Airheads. So these stamp sets are drawn by Courtney. So it's not like you're going to find this, exact stamp set somewhere else. So this one is super cute. I love the crayons and all the little color mediums. Somehow I hit the stop record button. So I'm not sure where I left off. But these stamp sets are made by Courtney herself. She has drawn these out. So this is the one that you get with the kit this month. And like I said, it's super cute. And I cannot wait to dig into this. And then here is the sentiment set. So these are all like buildable sentiments, which is nice because you can make it anything you kind of want. I mean, you can do multicolors for the word color. So yeah, it's super nice. And then you get this little baggie of palette knives. Now I have some of these already. So, and I don't throw them away. I just wash them off because they make really good little knives to spread everything else out in. So you get 6 pieces of pattern paper. So let me show you guys real quick. Now I'm not a big pattern paper fan, mostly because I don't know, I just don't use it a lot. Sometimes I just don't know what to do with it. So the add-on is a full paper pack of this. So, but I feel like I'm going to be using these ones because they're so colorful and they're single-sided and it's a good heavyweight paper. So I love the rainbow. And I love how there's pastels mixed in with the bright colors. So that's the paper pack, and then you get the stencil. And I cannot wait to play with this stencil. They're like little ink splotches or color splotches. It's gonna be so fun to pair this with this stamp set. I mean, you can even just use it as background and then stamping your stamps on top of that. So yeah, I cannot wait to start using this one. And then here is our paper, and of course our tissue paper. So yeah, stay tuned to the channel, guys. I am working on a ton of videos right now. I am more recovered from my surgery now and feeling a lot better. So there will be a lot more videos coming your way. I appreciate everybody that has subscribed. I really do. I cannot wait until I can start pumping videos out like I want to. Then it's just going to be, there's going to be a lot. I have a lot of coming up with Rabbit Hole. So yeah, just stay tuned to the channel. Let me know what you guys think. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow, so I'm looking for Halloween inspiration. So if you guys have anything, leave it in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, because there's a lot of fun things that I do on my channel. And it's not always the same thing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.